Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how we can check our disk space used in our web hosting plan. So right now I am using Hostinger from last couple of years, and in this video I will be showing for my blog how much disk it is actually using from the existing Hostinger plan. Now if you don't know what exactly is a disk space and why we must know about that, then you can just pause the screen here and read the content here and you will understand that very easily. Now let's get started. Let's go to Hostinger website first. So right now you can see that Black Friday sale is going on, so 85% discount they are offering. If you want to purchase hosting, definitely you can check the video description, or you can scan the QR code on the screen, and then you can purchase hosting using my affiliate link. Okay, you can apply the special Black Friday coupon code also to get additional 10% discount. Okay, now if you come to the Hostinger plans, you will see that there is something called 20 GB of storage of your files, 50 GB of world's fastest NVMe storage, 100 GB of world's fastest NVMe storage. Now how much storage you are purchasing and in real time how much storage you are actually using, that we are going to see in this video. Okay, so for that what we need to do, let me go back to Hostinger cPanel again. Sorry, Hostinger Hpanel. So they call it Hpanel. This is very interactive and easy to use. If you are following my YouTube channel, then definitely you will get some idea about how to use this Hostinger Hpanel, which is comparatively, or I would say literally different compared to other websites. Okay, so from here what we need to do, so these are the list of websites right now hosted on this hosting plan. So for example, for this blog, I need to click on dashboard. So from here you can see that the entire dashboard for this bloggingjoy.com hosting has been opened here. Okay, now what I will do, just check the left side hosting resources uses and click on see details. Okay, so now when you come to this space, you will see that particularly you can see that files and directories inode limit. So it is 23% usage, disk and inode disk usage. So out of 100 GB right now, this website is using around 2.55. So it's around 3% only it is resource usage. Okay, you can also see that which server right now my website is hosted. So this is a very simple tutorial that I want to create and show you how exactly you can see that how much disk space your website is using or consuming or occupying in your web hosting dashboard. Okay, there are many other details like how much CPU usage it is using. For example, 2% memory it is using around this. So you can see that. So that's the advantage of buying a good hosting with good amount of resources, because your website will always load fast. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you find this video useful, feel free to like this video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.